Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to discuss how to factor trinomials when a is greater than 1. So let's have the first example. We have 3x squared minus 2x minus 5, and we have a, b, c. And we know that when a is greater than 1, it's really difficult to factor a trinomial. Factor the trinomial, right? Because we have to do trial and error. But I will show you a technique. This is called the slide divide technique. But again, disclaimer, this technique will only work if the coefficient or the constant in C has they don't have GCF. So we can apply the technique. So without further ado, I'll show you the technique. So the first thing you do, you slide it, multiply. That will be x squared plus 2x minus 15. Now, you can now factor this one. That will be x minus 5 and x plus 3. Negative 5 times positive 3, that's negative 15. Negative 5 plus 3, that will be negative 2. Now, remember the thing that you have slide. The number that you have slide is 3, right? So you put down 3 here. Now you have to check if this is already the lowest term. If it's already the lowest term, you put the denominator beside the variable, like so. 3x minus 5, and that will be this one, 3 over 3 is 1, that x plus 1. That's already the factored form, but we will do FOIL method, so you will know if we got the correct answer. 3x times x, that will be 3x squared plus 3x minus 5x, and negative 5 times 1, that will be negative 5. And this one, simplified further, 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. And yes, we got the same answer. 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. 3x squared minus 2x minus 5. So the factored form for this one is this one. Yes. So they are equal. Okay. That's a slide technique, slide divide technique. Now, how about another example? 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Check if they have GCF. 2, 3, and 9. They don't have the GCF, three numbers. So we do the slide technique. And now put x minus 18 times 9 is 18, right? Now we can factor them. It will be x and negative 18. That will be around positive 6 and negative 6 times negative 3. That will be negative 18. 6 minus 3. That will be positive 3. Now you bring down the 2 because that's the one you have slide, and you get the lowest term. That will be around x plus 3. And since 3 halves is already the lowest term, we put the 2 here. That will be 2x minus 3. Now you fact this is already the factored form, but we will do FOIL method to be sure. It will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 6x minus 9. Okay, and simplify it further. 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Yes, we got the correct factored form. So this one is the factored form of 2x squared plus 3x minus 9. Easy, right? Now let's have the last example. So 8x squared minus 12x minus 8. You may have noticed that they have a GCF. And the GCF for this one is 4. So what you can do is you have to do monomial factoring before you do the technique. So I'll show you. 4 times 2x squared. You divide all by 4. 12 divided by 4, that's 3. 8, that will be 2, right? So we reduce them to this one. And it's still the a is greater than 1, which is 2. So we will factor this one only. This one, that will be around x. Okay, with the two x's. I'm sorry, we have to slide first. Okay, we have to slide them. That will be x squared minus x minus 4. And that's the time that we could apply the slide technique. That will be around x minus 4 and x plus 1. Negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Now remember the one that you have slide that is 2. You will bring down to here. And you get the lowest term. It will be x minus 2 since 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? And this is already the lowest term. You put the 2 here. Be 2x plus 1. Now, for this one, let's do FOIL method to be sure. It will be 2x squared plus x minus 4x minus 2, 2x squared minus x minus, and there you have it. Okay? 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. So, the factored form, this one, I'll just copy paste this one. And remember, we have a 4 here, right? We'll put it here. So the factored form of this one is this one. This is the factored form, 8x squared minus 12x minus 8. The factored form is 4 times the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Yes. And that's the end of the lesson on how to factor trinomials when a is greater than 1. If you have questions or you need of clarifications, please comment down. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos about math and language. I'll see you again. Please support educational content. I'll make more videos, educational videos about math and language. Thank you. Bye.